Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak from UDAAN Deepak Academy, Hubballi. So let us now move on to discussion of most important full science I will be discussing now. So entire physics, chemistry, biology, so all the set of questions which are most important when it comes to examination point of view I will be discussing in this session. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೆನ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೋರಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನೈತಿ ಪೆನ್ ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ meet you sir. Yes, very good dear. So I hope my voice is audible and if not let me know in the comment section everyone. Yes, Ajit Mahavale, yes, is there. Suvina is there. Excellent dear. Neeta Vinay, yes, Pandan is there. Yes, excellent. Many students are online and taking the advantage of the live classes. If fast I give pen togondu book togondu ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ, whatever I say this is the last session and after that I will be finishing up. This will not take much than 40 minutes. So fast agi 40 minutes dedicated agi involve agi so that tomorrow you can able and capable to solve all the problems related with answers I will be discussing so that we will be getting the right answers in a short time. Okay, so yes, fast agi enen answer barta ant ಹೇಳಿ try to write it up there. Okay, so yes, Sarfaraz Khan, Sushil is there, then Mohammad Nawaz, hello dear, Allu Arjun, Kamlesh, Ashish, Manjunatha, Veda, very many students are online and taking the advantage. Excellent dear. So you can just see now. Tell me the answer for question number 1. Randomly mix of questions I will be discussing and these are the most expected now. And with that all the previously I have done all the marathons and after this is the last marathon related to this subjects I will be doing. Okay, so ನನಗೆ answer question number 1 ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes, got it. Sir, physics ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ dear, application level questions ಆಯ್ತು, everything I will be discussing. Just start up with the answer now. Question number here is suction pressure in the plants is required to remove the difference in concentration of ions between the root and soil, transport food in two directions, take up the water to the highest parts, eliminate excess of water from the leaves. So let me know why the suction pressure is important here. So yes, most of you, Sudan is there. Hi Sudan, let me know the answer for question number 1 dear. I am expecting the answer. Yes, my voice is audible. What is the answer for question number 1? Yes, question number 1 na the answer ಏನೈತಿ. Yes, question number 1 na the answer ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, I am expecting sir. Yes, yes, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಸಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀರಿ. ಸಿ remove the difference in concentration of ions between root and the soil. No, food is ಬರಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Whenever food comes the answer is what? It is phloem tissue and take up water to the highest parts. Yes, this is the right answer. And excess of water from the leaves eliminate ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ because ಅದಕ್ಕೆ suction pressure ಬೇಕು. Therefore the right answer for this is what? The option C. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳಿಯತೈತಿ. Star, then I can see Manjunatha, Somnatha, X-Hub, Palak Jain. I hope you all are connecting everyone. Now tell me, ferrous sulfate crystals lose green color when they heated because of this compound. Okay, similar I think this question, similar question has come in your examination. Money exam alli barth bittiri. Yes, this question you have written it in your examination previously. Same thing, same question has appeared, but the problem was what? They are given in the form of application level question. Direct question bandidilla. Okay, see here, ferrous sulfate crystals lose green color when heated because it loses water molecules. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, this is because of what? Water of crystallization. The answer is what? Water of crystallization ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, that answer will come because of water of crystallization. The number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt, so that water of crystallization you should write in this case. Mahendra Reddy, Manjunatha, yes, Renuka, Agastya, yes dear. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯತೈತಿ. Let me know in the comment section everyone. Now coming to the next set of question. In domestic wiring, what are the reasons for overloading? Explain the working of earth wire. Overloading ಮತ್ತು earth wire related fix question ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ and ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Yes, overloading and the working of earth wire fix question. See, reasons for overloading when the live wire and neutral wire, ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಒಳಗೆ live wire ಐತಿ that is red in color and neutral wire ಐತಿ that is black in color. If they touch together, suddenly short circuit ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. That one we call it as what? Overload. When the live wire and neutral wire come in contact with each other, then the overload will happen. This contact we call it as what? We call it as short circuit. Short circuit means what? Touching of both live wire and the neutral wire. This one we call it as the short circuit. Leakage of current in electrical appliances and connecting too many appliances to particular switch. ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, that one lead to what? Overloading. Then working of earth wire. See, the metallic body of electrical appliances are connected to earth wire. Similarly, like a refrigerator aitu, washing machine aitu. So those are the electrical appliances which are connected to earth wire. If there is any leakage of current occurs in the electrical appliances, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಒಂದು electrical appliances ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು leakage ಆಯ್ತು, current ಅದ ಬಾಳ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು, then keep their potential difference same to that of earth and user may not get any electric shock. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ severe electric shock ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ and there may not be chances of any unduly chances. So for that purpose we need what? Working of earth wire. Then how silver and copper articles lose their shiny surface, how galvanization protects iron article. Yes, aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Fixed question. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಪರ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಶೈನಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, silver articles when exposed to air react with sulfur. Nanapurkori, how to remember silver article? They react with sulfur in air. This one you should know. Okay, so you can just see here silver articles enagtavalli. These silver articles they react with air with the sulfur. So how to remember? Yes for silver, yes for sulfur. Nanapurkori, yes for silver, yes for sulfur to form black layer of sulfur dioxide. Similarly, copper reacts with C for copper, C for carbon dioxide. So copper edar joti react ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, copper reacts with carbon dioxide. Very good. Corrosion ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ 0 you will get here. You should mention silver ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರ sulfur in air ಬರಿಬೇಕು, copper ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಅಂದ್ರ carbon dioxide in air ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then layer of zinc formed by the galvanization reacts with oxygen to form a layer of zinc oxide which prevent further oxidation. So galvanization ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, coating of a metal with the zinc so that the particular metal will not get what? Degraded. So like this you should able to write. Okay, so next one you can see aluminum. This is silver sulfide baribeku. They are written sulfur dioxide. Ile silver sulfide bartidi Ag2s. Very good dear. Kushi is there. Hi Kushi, nice to see you online dear. Next one you can see aluminum oxide. You know that aluminum oxide is called an amphoteric oxide because it reacts with both acid as well as base to produce what? Salt and water. So that answer you should able to write here. Then coming to the next set of question, see ray diagram 2f1 na bandidi, exam alli 2f1 na ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Mirror or lens, if mirror ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಆಡ್ ಸಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ 2f1 ಐತಿ, ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಸಿ ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ 2f1. ಸೊ C1 ನರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ 2f1 ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಇದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ image formed. So when you keep at 2f1, when it pass through lens, the image will be formed at 2f1 only. Position of the image is at 2f2. The image formed is ulta, it is real. So the right answer is what? Real and inverted ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಮಿರರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ 90% ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಡ್ ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆಡ್ 2f1. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಪಾಪ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಪಾಪ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಯಾರಟಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಗ್ರಾನ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ with dilute sulfuric acid testing the hydrogen gas by burning. So this is the pop sound diagram ellaru, and make sure at least 5 namings and which are mentioned in there you should able to write that namings. How hesaranna ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, Samad Patil aitu, Usha, then yes, Sufyan Saunshi is there. Yes dear, let me know any doubt here. Yes. Thank you so much everyone for such a good response. I'm sorry. Okay, now coming to the next one. See, simultaneously red and blue litmus paper are dipped in the brine solution and an aqueous product produced by subjecting that solution to electrolysis. What changes do you observe to the in the litmus paper? Support your answer with reason. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ರೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಲೂ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ aqueous products produced by subjecting that solution to electrolysis. What changes do you observe in the litmus paper? On the red litmus paper ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರೇಣುಕಾ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. Yes, Sufyan, yes dear. Star Vijay, ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ litmus paper, very good litmus paper test ನೋಡ್ರಿ. You know the product obtained in the electrolysis of brine ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, you will get sodium hydroxide. So you know sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen gas will come. Now this main product you form after subjecting is which one? It is sodium hydroxide ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, sir, what is phytohormones? Plant hormones, we call it as phytohormones, dear. Yes, and you know this is the base. Then what will happen now is red litmus paper. So you know acids converts blue to red, bases converts what, red to blue. Here red litmus paper ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, red litmus paper will change to blue, and blue litmus paper will become what, blue only, it will not change. So like this you should write, red will become blue, blue remains blue only. So that is the answer you should explain. These are the application level questions you may expect in your examination, and these are examination point of view questions. Okay, next you can see here. See, no change in observed. See, no color change is observed in the litmus paper dipped in brine, because brine solution is a solution of NaCl, because NaCl is what? It is a neutral solution. It is a neutral salt because it is a neutral solution. Red litmus paper is dipped in the aqueous product obtained by electrolysis of a solution turns to blue because NaOH is formed. It is a basic solution. Then carbon could not form C4 plus and C4 minus ions. Why? This question is fixed, and electron dot structure of methane ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So both you should do thoroughly. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಇದು ಆಲ್ ದ 3 ಪ್ರಿಪೇಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ C4 plus and C4 minus ions. Why? And write the electron dot structure of methane. ಅದು electron dot structure ಐತಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, I hope you are connecting. Yes, this is very important question. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. This is the must and sure. Okay, sir, I am from Hubballi. Very good dear. Aisha is there. Yes, then you can see here, you know, see, then which salts are responsible for hardness of water? Detergents are effective in hard water. Why? See, the carbon could not form C4 minus by gaining 4 electrons because it is difficult for the nucleus. So nucleus ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಹಳ ವಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ to hold on to nucleus with the 6 protons to hold on to 10 electrons, and it could not form C4 plus ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ it will give. So ಈಗ 4 ಕೊಡಾಕು ಭಾಳ ವಜ್ಜೆ ಐತಿ. See carbon could not form C4 plus cation because by losing 4 electron it requires ಅದು 4 ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ it requires large amount of energy. Yes, the energy required to remove the 4 electrons, the large amount of energy is required to remove the 4 electrons. Now you can see a carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. This is a diagram of methane. So ellaru ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ methane fix methane diagram ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಬಂದೈತಿ and you will get it for sure. So methane ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ methane only. So methane electron dot structure, and you should know CH4. You should write this and you should draw the figure of this methane thoroughly. You should able to do this. Okay, so like this, Sakina, I got you, dear Furkan. Hello Furkan, nice to see you online. Yes, next coming to the next set of question. So you see here a person has defect. So naale niಮಗೆ myopia ಮತ್ತು hypermetropia ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Now the defect which is shown on the screen, let me know which defect it is. Okay, direct ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. myopia, hypermetropia ಮತ್ತು presbyopia ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. See a person who has a defect of eye as shown in the below figure purchases a spectacle having the lens minus 2D power. Is this lens suitable to rectify the eye defect of that person? You should tell yes or no, and which defect it is. Yes, ಯಾವ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ರಾಣೆಬೆನ್ನೂರ್ಲಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Which defect it is? Very good, it is hypermetropia. So defect is what? It is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is the defect. Now they are given minus 2D is the power. Do you think it is suitable? Yes or no? Yes, the answer is what? No is the answer, because this hypermetropia we need what? Convex lens. Here to correct it is we need convex lens. The right answer should be plus 2D. Power should be plus 2D ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The right answer is no. The right answer ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ no ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, Zaifanthon, Priya Pavaskar, no is the answer. Okay, you should justify accordingly. So ನೀವು accordingly ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು justify ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Yes, Agastya got. Yes, next one is this lens is not suitable for that person's eye defect. Then you can see light rays from the close by objects are focused at the point behind retina. Therefore it is a far sightedness or it is a hypermetropia, and it is corrected by using a convex lens. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? By using a convex lens of appropriate power in spectacle. Lens of minus 2D power is a concave lens and that does not rectify this defect. Now draw the diagram. Human brain ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೇನ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 3 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ you should able to do. So see, this is a cerebrum and the outer part you can see it is what? Cerebrum, and this is cerebellum, the leaf like structure. And last example in the pons kottidru, medulla kottidru, cerebellum. Then here hypothalamus, you should able to point properly. Okay, those are the fixed question you need to highlight. Sir, what is amalgam? Satvik is asking. The ore of mercury is called sinnamar. Alloy of mercury is amalgam. Alloy of mercury. Amalgam na yen ಹೇಳ್ರಿ alloy of mercury. We call it as what? Amalgam. It is an alloy of mercury. Very good. Yes, Santosh. Alloy of mercury, ALLOY, is called amalgam. Okay. Next, how are processes of reproduction in hydra and planaria different from each other? For 5 mark difference only will come fragmentation ಮತ್ತು regeneration ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೆನೇರಿಯಾ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರದ್ದು ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಸಿ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ reproduction is by budding. ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ reproduction ಯಾವಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, In Hydra, the reproduction, it will by budding. A bud develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at a specific point. The bud develops into an independent individual. Planaria ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ reproduction by regeneration. So difference ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ reproduction ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ it is due to regeneration. Specialized cells proliferate and make large number of cells. Different cells undergo changes to become various tissues or development. Many species of planaria grow into separate individual. Then reflex arcs are more efficient for quick responses in animals. So ನಮ್ಗೆ what is the answer ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು that is reflex arcs are more efficient. Reflex arc ಎದಕ್ಕೆ efficient ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So see they are more efficient for quick response in the animal. Justify. See in animals the thinking process of the brain is not fast enough. So ನಮ್ಮ reflex arc reflex action ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ in animals the thinking process of the brain is not fast enough. Animals have very little or none of the complex neural network needed for thinking. And this is an open stomata, fixed open stomata, guard cells, stomatal pore, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. So these are very important again when it comes to examination point of view. Okay, so yes, Raghu, invisible sir, full yes. Cinnabar is a Manjunatha is asking Cinnabar. Cinnabar is an ore of mercury dear. The ore of mercury is called Cinnabar. Okay. Now next one, water ionic compounds, write any 4 properties of ionic compounds, or water alloys, write any 4 physical properties of metals. See water ionic compounds, the compounds formed by transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. Our compounds hang adavalri one metal inda mattond metal ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ metal ಮತ್ತು non metal ಇರಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. See the compounds formed by transfer of electrons from metal to a non metal. ಒಂದು metal ಇಂದ ಒಂದು non metal ಗೆ ಏನದ electrons transfer ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ, that one we call it as ionic bond. And physical properties are physical nature, solid and hard, melting, high melting and high boiling point, soluble in water and not soluble in organic compounds like petrol and diesel, and conduction of electricity, they conduct electricity in molten state. Then water alloys. See, alloys are homogeneous mixture. Alloys are homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals, ಅಥವಾ metals and non-metal. So physical properties are hard, lustrous surface, ductility, malleability, good conductors of heat, good conductor of electricity and sonorous. Then solutions A, B, C, D are having pH values of 2, 6, 8 and 13 respectively. Then which solution has more H plus and which solution has more OH minus ions concentration? Why? So let me know the answer in the comment section. Comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ fast ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, solutions A, B, C, D. So ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ having pH values 2, 6, 8, 13 respectively. So ನಾನು fast ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, 13 plus 20 is passing mass x dear. Yes, alloys are homogeneous mixture. Now tell me the solution A IT, B IT, C IT, D IT, 2, 6, 8, 13 adavu. Then which solution has more H plus and which solution has more OH minus ions concentration? ಎದೊಳಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದಾವು, ಎದೊಳಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅದಾವು ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. A solution and D solution. Very good dear. A is having more H plus ion concentration because A ಏನೈತ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ it is having more H plus ion concentration, whereas D ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ it is having less OH minus ion concentration. That is what you should tell me. Okay, so I hope you all are connecting, everyone. If you are finding this helpful, so let me know in the comment section. Yes, so next one you can see now, which solution can be made to react each other to get neutral salt. So in neutral salt ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ನೀವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, which two shall I mix now to make the neutral salt? Yes, A and D. So yes, A and D is the right answer. See, Salt A has more H plus ion concentration. Reason, if pH value is less then H plus ion concentration is more. If pH ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು H plus ion concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. Solution D has more OH minus ion concentration. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ as pH value increase ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ from 7 to 14 there is an increase in OH minus ion concentration. Now to get neutral, I can take either A or D, which is having strong acid and strong base, or B and C, which is having a weak acid and weak base. So that answer you should know. Okay. So the right answer is this. Now balance. So nange balance ಮಾಡಿ answer ಹೇಳಿ. So what will be the balancing equation now? So yes, I am expecting the answer for balancing equation. CH4 plus O2. Okay. See, CH4 plus O2 will give CO2 plus H2O. Balancing of equations 3 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದಾಗಿ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So let me know the answer. Yes, fast ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Yeah, Vivekanand sir, we can react with BC. Yes dear, both either B or C or A or D. You can use both dear. Yes, excellent. Now yes, tell me the answer for this one now. So fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the answer. Yes, Mahendra Reddy is there, Suresh is there, Prakash Rajur is there. So ನನಗೆ fast ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the answer. Yes, Rubina Pawar. See, balance the following equations. CH4 plus O2 will give you CO2 plus H2O. See, how you should do is, see, carbon, hydrogen ಮತ್ತು oxygen ಐತಿ. So carbon ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಐತಿ. See, hydrogen, there are 4 here. It is hydrogen 2 here. So you write 2 hydrogen. 2 2s are 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen. 2O plus 2O. See here, 2 plus 2, 4O ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನು 2 add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So this is the final answer. So directly CH4 plus 2O2 will give you CO2 plus 2 H2O. So this is the final answer. Yes, I hope you all are connecting how to do this one. Suffix ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ PB ಅನ್ನೋ 3 twice will give. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ PB ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. So write down what PB, nitrogen and oxygen, all the 3 you write. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ PB ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 PB ಐತಿ, 1 PB ಐತಿ. nitrogen 2. So 2N ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು 2N ಬರಬೇಕು. Then 3 2s are 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ already 1 ಐತಿ, 1 cannot come. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Why? Because here it will become 2 PB, 2 PB. PB is balanced. Then N ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 2N into 2. 2 2s are 4N. So I should get here what? 4N ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then 2O plus 4 2s are 8O plus 2O. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12O is equal to 12O. We got the right answer. I hope you all are connecting. If you are finding this helpful, put the thumbs up in the comment section and let me know. Yes. So yes. Prakash Raju is there. Morning live class, no dear, I'll be taking up. This is the last session. So ellaru Badashri odle beku. Okay, so let me know the answer here. So fast agi nanage illi ನೀವು answer ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the answer everyone. Aba Badiger, yes, Prakash is there. Vijay Pawar, ನನಗೆ answer ಹೇಳಿ. See the right answer for this. I hope you got how to do. See you can see here balancing just now what we have done, and again pop sound diagram, so everyone should know, and hydrogen gas bubbles you can see inside this, that one you should mark. Thank you so much dear, those who are making sure, who are giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much everyone. Yes, I can see Blaster Cat here, then Samarth is here, Suresh is here. Excellent. Okay, yes, everyone are doing exceedingly well. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದಬೇಕು, and you should take the maximum marks dear. Okay, so excellent. Chandu is there, Suresh Mantri is there, excellent. Hemavati, very good dear. Then see 250 ml of water is taken in each beaker. So beaker ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 250 ml water ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So see 250 ml of water ನೀರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎದೊಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ they have taken it in beaker A. So how to remember this? See, there is a beaker A. In this 250 ml of water is taken in beaker A and beaker B. So beaker A ಮತ್ತು beaker B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 250 ml of water ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ in both beaker A and beaker B. Okay, now what has happened is about 5 gram of sodium metal is added to beaker A. ಇದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sodium metal add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and 5 gram of calcium metal in beaker B is added. What are the reasons for observation that have been noticed here? So ಈಗ add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, that is the question has been asked. So let me know Sweetie is there, Samarth is there. So yes, let me know what answer can I expect now. Fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Yes, now question you see beaker here, since the reaction between sodium and water is so violent, it is an exothermic reaction and evolved hydrogen gas immediately catch fire because sodium is a highly reactive metal. Whereas beaker B, the reaction of calcium with the water is less violent and heat evolved is not sufficient to catch what? Fire. So heat reaction ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದು ಫೈರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, the sodium reacts with water very vigorously, it catches fire, very good dear, whereas calcium does not react with water violently. Draw the diagram to show the arrangement of apparatus used in refining of copper. So electrolyting of refining of copper ಬರ್ತೈತಿ and ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. if they ask electrolytic refining of copper, most of you will do that electrolysis of water from chemical reactions and equation. Don't do such mistakes everyone. So manage to solve this set of questions here properly. Then see, tungsten is used in the filament of electric lamps. The domestic circuits, the electric devices are not connected in series. In domestic circuits, the electrical devices are not connected in series. And question ಬಂದಿದೆ. See, you know that the tungsten is used in the filament of electric lamp because see the melting point and resistivity of tungsten is very high. See, tungsten ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ, the melting point and the resistivity ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಐತಿ. It does not melt readily at high temperature. The electrical lamps glows at very high temperature. Hence, tungsten is mainly used at heating element. Similarly, in domestic wiring series ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎದಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So everyone knows this how to do such. Yes, see, in domestic electric circuits the different circuit components need widely different electric current values to operate properly. When one component fails, ಈ series ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, if one component fails ಅಲ್ಲ remaining components also fail. Okay, and none of the other component works, therefore series arrangement is not used for domestic. And here tungsten, as you highlighted very rightly dear, tungsten ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ it is having high melting and high boiling point, it does not melt thoroughly. Yes, Samarth, Santosh Gaikwad ಆಯ್ತು, it has high temperature that is 3380 degrees Celsius. Excellent dear. So Vaibhav Mudgod has given the answer. Yes, but no need to mention the temperature dear, just mention what it is having high temperature and it is having high melting point, it will not melt readily. Now next question, in Fleming's left hand rule. So fast I give you answer here. In Fleming's left hand rule, the middle finger represents. So middle finger ಏನು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, father, mother, children ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. So what is the answer for this one? In Fleming's left hand rule, the middle finger indicates what? So middle finger ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. So yes, fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ಸಮರ್ಥ, I am ಶರಣ ಬಸವ, hello dear, let me know the answer. Yes, very good dear, it is electric current. Yes, very good dear. There are two currents here. It is father, mother ಮತ್ತು children ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So direction of current ಬರಿಬೇಕು, induced current ಅಲ್ಲ. Induced current is again different. You should only know the meaning here is electric current ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay. Next one. you can see type of mirror used in the vehicle has a rear view mirror. So vehicle ಅಲ್ಲಿ rear view mirror ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಆಗುವಂತ ಮಿರರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, very good dear. Which is the rear view mirror you can expect here? Akash, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಮಿರರ್ ನಾವು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಿರರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಖುಷಿ, ದೆನ್ ಶರಣಮ ಬಸವ ಆಯ್ತು, ರುಬಿನ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಝೈಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಥಾನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಿರರ್? ಸೊ ನನ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಮಿರರ್ ಯಾವುದು ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ, ಸುಬಿನಾ, ಜೋಯಾ, ಎಸ್ ಹರೀಶ್, ಫರ್ಹಾನ್, ಎಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್. Yes, the right answer is which one? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀರಿ. Yes, excellent. The right answer is what? Convex mirror. Convex mirror is used as what? Rear view mirror. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. Now a tall pea plant bearing so this is dihybrid cross, capital T capital ನಾಲ್ಕು ಲೆಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ dihybrid cross, ಬಟ್ monohybrid ಮತ್ತು dihybrid ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. both are what? Fix. Okay, now is cross with the dwarf pea plant or wrinkled. So write the type of plants obtained in F1 generation. See, whenever you solve, right, manage to write both F1 and F2 generation ಯಾರು ಬಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, now see, with the help of checkerboard represent the plants of F2 generation obtained by self pollination of F1 plants. Write the ratio of different plants obtained in F2 generation. See, TTRR, that is capital T small t capital R small r, tall plants bearing round seeds, and this is a checkerboard. I think ಎಲ್ಲರೂ checkerboard ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ in your examination. Monohybrid cross will come. Yes dear, or ಅಲ್ಲಿ dihybrid ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So both you should know. Suvina gave the right answer, that is the ratio is 9:3:3:1. Then write the events that occur during the process of photosynthesis. In what form the carbohydrates not used immediately are stored in plants? Write the functions of stomata. See, write the events. The events of photosynthesis are absorption, conversion, ಮತ್ತು reduction. Again, fixed question for 4 marks. Yes, tell me what is the events of photosynthesis. The 3 events of photosynthesis are first absorb ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. And in what form the carbohydrates are used up immediately are stored in plant? They are used in the form of starch. The right answer here is what? Starch bharteti. Yes, Abba Badiger, Vaibhav Mudgod. Yes, I hope you all are connecting. Mangala, yes. This dinner innu illa dear, you ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, desert plants in the form of starch dear. Let me know in the comment section in what form the animals, especially humans, store their stored energy. In what forms the energy is stored in humans. Okay, human alli stored energy hang store ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ yes, Samar Patil, yes, love you dear. Yes, in what form the food is stored in humans? That is the question. Here in plants, the answer is what? Starch. Yes, very good. Deepa Chauhan gave the right answer. The right answer is in the form of glycogen. Remember, glycogen is the answer here. In the form of glycogen in etalla store ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Yes. Now, what is excretion and methods used by the plants to get rid of excretion? See, and you know stomata helps in exchange of gases. Stomata ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Stomata ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? It helps in what? Exchange of gases between plants and atmosphere, maintain water balance in the plant body by transpiration. And the biological process involved in removal of harmful metabolic waste. So let me know the nitrogenous waste. What are the names of nitrogenous waste present in the body? So nan pata comment section alli ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. The nitrogenous waste ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ comment section alli ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the answer. Yes, see, the nitrogenous waste ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ comment section alli ಹೇಳಿ. Then see the plants give the secret the waste in the form of water. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See if they secret gaseous waste through stomata, they get rid of excess water by transpiration, store some waste in cellular vacuoles. Waste products may be stored in the leaves that fall off. Some waste are stored in resins and gums. Excrete some waste in the soil around them. Then write the functions of following hormones: insulin and adrenaline. Again fix question. ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದು. ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ರಿನಲಿನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ರಿನಲಿನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸಿ then B ಅಲ್ಲಿ the leaves of chewing weed touch me not plant fold when this plant is being touched. How does this response takes place? See, insulin ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, it regulates blood sugar level, and adrenaline prepares the body of animal to face what? The emergency situation. Okay, then when plant is touched, the movement happens at the point different at than the point of touch. The information of touch is conveyed from the cell through the electrical transmission, electrical chemical means. As a result, plant cells change shape by changing amount of water in them. This causes movement in plants. Okay, then how is movement of diaphragm and rib helpful in sucking the air into the lungs? So diaphragm hang ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. How it is helpful ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Again it is very important. Okay, so see, when we breathe in, the ribs lift up and diaphragm flattens. As a result, the chest cavity become larger. Because of this, air is sucked into the lungs and fills expanded alveoli. Then germination of pollen on stigma, again a fixed question. Germination of pollen on stigma ಅದೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 50% ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ? ಸಿ, ಮೂರು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವು: ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ, ಹೈಪರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಯೋಪಿಯಾ. ಆಲ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಯು ಶುಡ್ know thoroughly. You fix band bitidavi. See, myopia, nearsightedness. Write any two causes of this defect. How can this defect of eye can be corrected? See, the eye defect in which person is able to see. Myopia andre yen ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, the person can see near things clearly but cannot see. Myopia means he can see near, ಸಮೀಪದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತ್ರಿ but ದೂರದ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. See, the eye defect in which a person is able to see nearby objects clearly but cannot see the distance objects. It is due to, the main reason is excessive curvature of the eye lens and elongation of eyeball, and image of a distance object is formed in front of retina. Then correct is which one you should use to correct. See, the corrective lens is what? Concave lens of suitable power is used to correct. Okay, so next one we will be seeing again the lens ray diagram. Already we have seen the at C ಮತ್ತು C1 other ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. The next one beyond 2f1 is also much important. You can just go through this one. Then how does menstruation occur? 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದು. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, how does menstruation occur, or how does the process of budding in hydra is different from bryophyllum? ಒನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸ್ಡ್ egg into the fetus in woman, and in humans how the surgical contraceptive methods can be used to prevent pregnancy. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸೆಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, now the uterus, see the right first one is how does menstruation occur? See, the uterus prepares itself every month to receive a fertilized egg, and does its lining become thick and spongy. If the egg is not fertilized, the lining slowly breaks and it comes out through the vagina as blood and mucus. In hydra, so what is the difference now? Hydra ಮತ್ತು bryophyllum ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. In hydra, bud develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at at a specific site. These birds develop into tiny individuals and when fully mature, detach from the parent body and become what? New independent individual ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. Okay, that is what you should write here. Then in bryophyllum, birds are producing notches along the leaf margin. These birds fall onto soil and develop into new plant. Or the fertilized egg starts dividing and form a ball of cells or embryo. The embryo is implanted in the lining of uterus where they continue to grow and develop organs to become fetus. ಈಗ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು ಅದಾವು. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆಸೆಕ್ಟಾಮಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟ್ಯೂಬೆಕ್ಟಾಮಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ you can see if the vast difference in the man is blocked, the sperm transfer will be prevented, fertilization will not take place. If the fallopian tube in the woman is blocked, the egg will not be able to reach uterus, fertilization agangilla. So the first one is vasectomy and second one is what? Tubectomy. These are the surgical procedures you should be able to do. Okay. Next, write the molecular formula and two uses of the compounds: bleaching powder, plaster of Paris, then washing soda. All the things you should be knowing. Fix the question. Then orally, what is a strong acid? Explain how tooth decay is caused. How can it be prevented? See, CaOCl2 uses are CaOCl2 is nothing but the bleaching powder. So it is a bleaching powder. Elle use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. It is also used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, and it is also used to make drinking water free from germs. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ CaSO4, it is used for making toys, making materials for decoration, making surface smooth. Then acids, what are strong acids? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. See, acids that give more H+ion concentration. ಯಾವ acids ಜಾಸ್ತಿ H+ion concentration ಕೊಡ್ತಾವಲ್ರಿ is said to be strong acid. Bacteria present in mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. So the pH in the mouth decreases and tooth enamel gets corroded. Using toothpaste which are basic for cleaning the teeth, we should use. Now see here, strips of zinc, iron, magnesium and copper. This question has come many a times. I think you people are aware. So let me know the answer in the comment section below. Fast agi nanige helbeku. See here, strips of zinc ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. one zinc in the strip, one they are taken in the test tubes. Okay, test tube A ಐತಿ zinc, test tube B ಐತಿ iron, and test tube C ಐತಿ that is copper, C for that is magnesium, C for magnesium, and test tube D ಐತಿ it is what? Copper. See, same content of ferrous sulfate. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You know, please stop calling me a careless zebra, me magnesium. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper makes sense, use gold. You should write according to the reactivity series. Which is more reactive? Magnesium, zinc, iron and copper. You know, the one who are above are more reactive according to the reactivity series. Same content of ferrous. ನೋಡಿ iron ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So iron ಜೊತೆ iron react ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. In which test tube chemical reaction will occur? Chemical reaction will occur in magnesium and zinc. So magnesium and zinc ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Only A and C. Very good. A and C. Noop please give the right answer. It is A and C. Okay, that is how you should write. Why? Because zinc and magnesium are above iron in the reactivity series. Okay, see here, chemical reactions occur in A and C because zinc and magnesium are more reactive than iron, or zinc and magnesium are found above iron in the reactivity series. And zinc reacts with iron ferrous sulfate will give zinc sulfate plus iron. Zn plus FeSO4 will give you ZnSO4 plus Fe. Then let me know the answer for this. If a device of 840 watt is to be used for 220 volt, potential difference between them is how much? See, power is 840 watt. So power is taken 840, voltage is 220 volt. power, then the rate of fuse ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ current. So P is equal to V into I. Rate of fuse is current because all the options are in what? Ampere only. So I is equal to P by V. P is how much? 840. V is how much? 220. So 20 to 1s are 20 to 4s are 88. So you will get nearly 3.9, which is 4 ampere. So right answer is what? 4 ampere. Very good. See, observe the diagram. In that diagram, prism related model question paper 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So ಇಂಥವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. See, observe the diagrams given below. The correct conclusion that you can draw here is that, so here you see, you can see which is the most bending now. So ellaru onde angle alli bittidare, and you know the most bent color yaadekante nodkori Vibgyor. You should remember what? Vibgyor here. So Vibgyor alli yaad bartೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? VIBGYOR. So which is the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ green is here, green is here, and blue is here, and yellow is here. So which is the most bent? Blue is the most bent because more the refractive index, more the bending. See, the correct conclusion you can draw here is that angle of deviation will maximum on Q. So this is P, green is P, and blue is Q, and Y is R. Maximum in Q. Yes dear, this is correct. So the right option is maximum in Q is correct. Yadek ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, that is the most bent is Q only. Yes, most bent is Q only. That is what you should write. The correct conclusion, that is the angle of deviation will be more, because more the bending, more the angle of deviation you will get. Okay, like this you can do. Remaining all are what? Wrong here. So baki ella ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಹೇಳಿ? wrong ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. Then draw the symbol for variable resistance. ಇವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Variable resistance ಅನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, or rheostat. See, among the two types of particles A and B in the atmosphere, particle A scattered mainly the blue light and B scattered red light. See, which is having more length, they scattered more. So particles of B, they scattered more. That is what you should know here. Okay, so particles of B, they scattered, they are having larger size. Then how is rancidity prevented in foods containing fats and oil? See, adding antioxidants ಆಯ್ತು, or keeping the food in airtight container ಆಯ್ತು, and flushing gas like nitrogen in the packets containing fried foods. Pure ethanoic acid is commonly called glacial acetic acid. You know that their melting point is very less, and pure ethanoic acid is very low. It is 290 Kelvin and hence freezes during winter season. So ಈಗ yang ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಇದಾಗ್ತೈತಲ್ರಿ, ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Then 10 ml of acetic acid solution is taken in the beaker containing 50 ml of water. What change takes place in the concentration of hydronium ions? You know that hydronium ion ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ because of dilution. The answer is what here? Dilution is the answer. See, the concentration of hydronium ion decreases per unit volume. Write the 4 properties of magnetic field lines. Again a fixed question. Magnetic field lines properties barile beku. Yes, Sharana Baswa gave the right answer. SIB 222 Jai Shorts is there. Sham Chitti is there. Very good dear. Like this only you should able to solve in tomorrow's examination. Write any 4 properties of magnetic field lines. See, magnetic field lines, they have they have both magnitude and direction, and they are vector quantity. Magnetic field lines emerge from north pole and end out south pole outside the magnet. Magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Magnetic field is so strong, is strong wherever the density of field lines is more. Magnetic field lines are closely packed where the field lines is strong. So like this you should write this. Okay, then coming to the next one, state Joule's law of heating. So Ohm's law ಮತ್ತು Joule's law ಯಾರು ಮರಿಬ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಜೂಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. See, state Joule's law of heating effect, write its mathematical form or write any two difference between series combination of resistor and parallel combination of resistor. See, next, tungsten is used as a filament of electric bulb. That is our question. We will see the heat produced in the resistor is directly proportional. This is Joule's law of heating. H is equal to I square RT. And you know that the heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to square of current for a given resistance, directly proportional to resistance for a given current, and directly proportional to time for which the current is being passed. Then series ಮತ್ತು parallel combination difference ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. In series combination total resistance is more than individual resistances. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ parallel combination total resistance is less than the individual resistance, and electric current is same in each resistor. Electric current gets divided. Resistors cannot function independently in parallel. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೈತೆ particular switch ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, they can function separately. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ potential difference across individual resistor is different. Potential difference across each resistor is same. Okay. Then explain the working of earth wire. Earth wire ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, and everyone should know the function of earthing in this case. Okay, see, earth wire is connected to a metal plate deep in the earth. The metallic body of electrical appliances is connected to earth, and you know that earthing provides the low resistance conducting path. Okay, and during leakage of current the potential is made equal to Earth's potential to prevent severe electric shock. During leakage of electric current, the current flows through Earth to prevent severe electric shock ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, then see, when the salt X is used to remove permanent hardness of water, tell me which salt is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Yes, I am expecting the answer, permanent hardness of water. So name the salt which is used to remove permanent hardness of water. ಯಾವ salt use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to remove permanent hardness of water? Let me know. Yes, yes, full sure. Yes, fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, I am expecting. Yes, very good. Permanent hardness of water, we can get it as what? Washing soda. Nanapidkori, washing soda, that is Na2CO3. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, that is washing soda is X. Okay, washing soda is X. Then see, of X that is used to remove permanent hardness of water reacts with HCl. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, HCl ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಡಾಟ್ 10H2O, ಇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್? HCl. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ, ವಿತ್ reacts with hydrochloric acid, the gas Y is released. Later the Y is passed through lime water. So ಈ Y ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ lime water ಜೊತೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, it will give white precipitate. So CmOH twice, so carbon dioxide ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, if you pass ನೋಡಿ CmOH twice lime water, when you pass you will get what? Calcium carbonate. So that is the nothing but what is X now? See, X is sodium carbonate 10H2O, Y is carbon dioxide, and Z is what? Calcium carbonate. These are X, Y and Z. Similarly, write the 4 uses of concave mirror. What is magnification? If the value of magnification of image is +3, then mention the size and nature of image formed. See, to obtain a parallel beam of light in torch, searchlight and vehicle headlights, that is the first use. Second, it is used in the shaving mirror. Okay, shaving mirror use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Dentists use concave mirror to obtain a large image of the teeth. It is used in solar furnace. So solar furnace ಈಗ sunrays ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, then what is magnification? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ an object is magnified with respect to size of object, or it is a ratio of size height of the image to the height of the object, or size of the image to size of object, or ratio of object distance and image distance. Image is virtual, image is erect. Size of the height of image is 3 times that of eyes of object. Okay, so that is the question again they have asked here. You should able to do. Okay, then aluminum oxide is called amphoteric oxide. Copper articles exposed to air for a long time gain green coat. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ amphoteric oxide means what? They react with both acid as well as base to produce salt and water, and copper articles exposed to air for long time gain green coating. It is because C for copper they react with C for carbon dioxide in air. So the right answer ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ carbon dioxide ಬರಿಬೇಕು. See, the amphoteric oxides show both aluminum oxides show both acidic as well as basic behavior, react with both acid as well as base to produce salt and water. Copper particles react with moist carbon dioxide and pidkori or carbon dioxide present in the air and gain green coat or copper forms copper carbonate. Now you can see here pyruvate in the muscle cells, in the lack of oxygen it will form what? Lactic acid plus energy. Then what is double circulation? You know that the blood through the heart goes twice. Nam heart through blood ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. So during each cycle this is known as double circulation. Then what is ozone? Write the advantages. See, ozone is a molecule which is formed by 3 atoms of oxygen, and the more atoms of oxygen now ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is called as ozone. It shields the surface of the earth. Shield means what? It protects the surface of the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The sex cell should have half the amount of genetic material. Why the sex cell should have haploid number of chromosomes? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, to establish the same amount of genetic material among the new progenies formed by the fusion of cells. Okay, then the flow of energy in an ecosystem is always unidirectional. Flow of energy ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ unidirectional ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎದಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಿ. ವಿನಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ಸಜೀದಾ, ಆಶ್ರಿಯಾ, I got you, ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ. I hope you all are connecting dear. ಚಂದನ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಟೋಟ್ರೋಪ್ಸ್. ಏನ್ ಆಟೋಟ್ರೋಪ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಬ್ಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ herbivores will not go back to the plants again. Okay, see, the energy captured by autotrophs does not revert back to the solar input, and energy which passes to the herbivores again that does not come back to autotrophs. As the energy moves progressively through various trophic levels, ಏನೈತಿ energy flow ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, there is no longer available to the previous level. Then the regeneration that takes place in planaria is not equal to reproduction. So regeneration ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದು reproduction ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So tell me why. See, the vegetation propagation is moved to farmer. See, regeneration in planaria is carried out by specialized cells. These cells proliferate and make large number of cells. From this mass of cells, different cells undergo changes to become various cell types and tissues. These changes takes place in organized sequence referred to as development. Most organisms would not normally depend on being cut to be able to reproduce. Hence, the regeneration in etalla, it is not reproduction, because in regeneration the organism should get separated. Okay. Yes, I hope if you are having any doubt, let me know in the comment section, everyone. And if you are finding this session helpful, I request everyone to put the thumbs up. And we have almost come to the end now. In 5 minutes, I'll be finishing it up. Okay. So Vinay Kamskar, yes. Yes, thank you. Masira is there. Abhishek Barade is there. Very good. Abhishek. Vijay Pawar, I can see. Very good, dear. Masturi, Varsha. Very good. Sakshi, Aba Badiger. Very excellent. So everyone, Thank you so much for so much love and affection dear. Fast exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ exam ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now see, you know that advantages of vegetative propagation is plant raised by vegetative propagation can bear flowers and fruits earlier than those produced from seeds. The above property of vegetative propagation is used in grafting ಮತ್ತು layering ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This makes the propagation of plants that have lost the capacity to produce seeds. Plants produced are genetically similar to parent and have all the characteristics of parent. Then observe the given figure and answer the question. See, the question is which of the figures shows the correct direction of magnetic field. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. If you are holding a current carrying conductor in your right hand, because this is right hand thumb rule, so if you move like this, which is the correct figure, A or figure B? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, which of the above figures shows the correct direction of magnetic field, whether A or whether B? A or B? So let me know the answer in the comment section. Noob Blaze is telling me excellent here. See, if you are holding in your right hand, the thumb indicates the direction of current, and the wrapped finger, you can see they are anti-clockwise. You can see it is closing anti-clockwise. So B is the right answer. Okay. So figure B shows the direction of magnetic field. Which rule it is? It is right hand thumb rule. Okay. What is that rule? Hold a current carrying conductor, state conductor in your right hand such that thumb points to the direction of current and the fingers wrap indicates the direction of magnetic field. So like this you should able to solve this. Okay, then write the structures of the following. So cyclopropane ಮತ್ತು propanoic acid. See, cyclopropane fix ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, then cyclohexane and propanoic acid. Saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. Saturated hydrocarbons are those which are having single bond, unsaturated double or triple bond. Okay, then less reactive, more reactive. Burn with clean flame, burn with yellow flame with black smoke. Undergoes substitution and addition reaction, undergoes only addition reaction. Okay, I hope you are connecting. Then body size of a person is changed due to excessive exercise. Is this change can be seen in next generation? No dear. Whether Hedri, this is called acquired traits. Acquired traits are those traits which cannot be passed from generation to generation. See, this change cannot be seen in next generation because change in non-reproductive tissues. Example, hands, legs. Only sperm ಮತ್ತು egg ಗೆ ಏನಾರ problem ಆಯಿತು, then only the baby will form defective. See, the change in non-reproductive tissue cannot be passed on to the DNA of the germ cell. That is what you should write. Then observe the given food chain and answer the following. There are three. Here T1 green plants, then T2 deer, then T3 is tiger. What is the amount of energy do green plants have if the available energy to the tiger is 700 joules? So in 700 kilojoules you can adavandra how much the plants is having. So let me know in the comment section. Your kade ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ, your kade ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. So that the organism of each tropic level has maximum accumulation of harmful chemicals, biomagnification ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. So let me know. Yes, very good dear. Green plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ? ವಿಷ್ಣು ಯಾದವ್, no dear, you will get 0 marks for this. Yes, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Zyphanthon give the right answer. Very good dear. 10 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. It is 70,000 here, 7,000 here, and here 70,000 kilojoules is the answer. Because according to 10% law, if you go there, it will increase, decrease ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಾಕತ್ತೆ increase ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, and in which you find maximum accumulation of harmful chemicals. And yes, very good. Tiger is having harmful chemicals. Okay, so ನೀವು ಏನಾರ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, so you should able to do. Okay, 70,000 is the answer dear. 70,000 is the answer. See, green plants having it is 70,000 kilojoules according to the law of 10% tiger. You know that the chemicals are not degradable and get accumulated at each topic level. Hence the top level in any food chain, the maximum concentration of these chemicals is accumulated. Yes. Can the electric heater of 2 kilowatt be connected to a domestic circuit rated 15 ampere and has potential 220? For that, you should see 2000 watt. See, 2 kilowatt is 2000 watt. The power is this. Now you should calculate power. P is equal to V into I. This is I, this is V. Now voltage is 220, current is 15. So 15 zeros are 15 twos are 30, 15 twos are 30, 31, 32, 33. But see, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ 3300 ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 2000. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಹತ್ತಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲದು. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ that is less than that of the available power. So ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ 3300 watt ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರ 2000 watt ಹೋದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ sufficient power we are having. So the answer is can be connected. This is very important question related to this one question will come fix. Okay, next one. See, given below the incomplete equation represents a chemical process of converting an unsaturated carbon compound to saturated. Complete the equation. Name the gas X and substance Y. It is unsaturated hydrocarbons into saturated hydrocarbon hydrogenation. Hydrogen it is, and Y is a catalyst. We call it as it is palladium or nickel. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then what happens if end products of this reaction react with chlorine in presence of sunlight? See, they undergo substitution reaction and they replace chlorine one by one. Okay, then next one you can see what is spectrum of white light. Name any two phenomena that occur in the atmosphere due to refraction of light. Then what is cataract of eye? What is the near point and far point? Both are very important. See, the band of color component of light beam formed by splitting of light through glass prism is called spectrum. The phenomena that occur due to refraction of light is twinkling of stars, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, and rainbow formation. Then the crystalline islands of people at old age. So namda islands ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ. So at old age it becomes milky and cloudy. Okay, and this condition is called cataract. The near point is 25 centimeter and far point is infinity. Okay, see this one, I will give the trick how to do this one. See, in an electric circuit, to get an equivalent resistance RS, 4 resistors of 2 ohm are first connected in series, later they are connected in parallel. So how to do this? So series by parallel kelidare. So what is the answer? The answer is what? See how many are connected? 4 resistor is. So answer is what? 2 raised to 4 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, 2 ohm resistors are connected. So ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, it is 2 raised to 4, it is 16. So series is always greater than parallel. So 16 is to 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So this one you should solve. ಹ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See, 2 ohm resistors are first connected in series. Later series or connect ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, RS is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 8 ohm. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. It is 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2s are 1 upon Rp is equal to. So Rp is equal to what? 1 upon 2 ohm. Why? Because see 2 reciprocal you should write. Now RS by Rp ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, RS is 8 and this is 1 upon 2, it will go here, it will become 16 by 1. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, raised to is the answer. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ 4 ಅದ ಒಂದು 2 raised to 4. Since series is highest, so numerator should be bigger. So like this you should able to solve this. Okay, then coming to the next set of question. Write statement. So nan ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, write statement regarding the color of scattering. sunlight, and size of scattering atmosphere particle is. So what is the answer for this? And this is the last question. With this I will be finishing because it's 10:30. I need to move ahead. Thank you so much here. Payal Chogle is there. Sakshi, do well in your exam and my prayers are with you all. You know Adavu, but morning if possible, if I reach 100k, I will come up in the morning, or else with that I will be finishing up. Okay, 10:30 I too, 1 minute to go. Yes, see, right statement regarding the color of the scattered sunlight and the size of the scattering atmospheric particle. So the right answer is two large particles scatter all colors equally. Okay, so with that I'll just finish up, and naale example ella chalo ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Tomorrow 2 p.m. again I will come live and I'll solve the entire science paper. So ನಿಮ್ದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ನಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am eagerly waiting for your responses, that how you are completed your examination. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದಾಗಿ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಓದ್ರಿ. My best wishes with you all, and my prayers are with you all. Do very well, have confidence in you, and very happy to see you all here. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. So I can see many students, yes, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಲೋ ಓದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ diagrams practice ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಓದಬೇಕು. Okay, so then only you people can do dear. Amar is there, Ramesh is there, Rudresh, Noop Blaze, excellent dear. So ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay, there are many set of questions, but ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾತ್ ಕುಂಬಾರಿ ವಿಜಯ್. ಸೊ a big heart to everyone. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂದಾಗಿ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. My prayers are with you all. Okay, a big heart. Yes, thank you everyone, and ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ with the key answers tomorrow at 2 p.m. Okay, so Sakshi, Sakina, Bhuvan Banagar is there, Masturi, Zaiba, you are genius, thank you dear. Now yes, Renuka, then Preetham, Vijay, excellent dear.